For Try It Tuesday today, we are trying gingerbread houses.
Yeah.
But of course, we couldn't make it easy. We couldn't get a kit or anything. We have to get just random things. So I guess let's get started because this is going to take a while. I don't think I got the knife out because I was going to get creative, but I think I'm just going with...
Just lay the frosting on.
Yeah,
I think so.
Try to get something to stand, really. We've been getting some expert advice from camera operators, from Ronnie Lewis.
Yeah. Got white frosting. Let's see what we can do with this here.
I don't know if I have enough frosting to keep everything together.
You gotta make a foundation of some sort, right?
Yeah. Have you made a gingerbread house before?
It has been a very long time. So this might be interesting.
Yeah. I don't know, our friends made some pretty impressive ones the other night. We got to judge. And I will tell you that I would not have competed at all in that. Ooh, there goes, see?
All right, I got a little something going here. Let's see if I can get that secured. Oh, hey, there we go.
Smaller than the other.
Stay there. There we go. All right, we got 2 walls up.
Are you making a teepee?
May as well.
That's a great idea.
What can we throw on top here? Some Fruit Loops. We got.
I'm never gonna get a top.
Lucky Charms. You gotta make it decorative. I'm just going with the basic style here.
I'm gonna run out of frosting before we even get a roof on this thing. Oh no.
Let's see what we can do with this. Fruit Loops, throw these on.
There's some structural problems here.
It's not good.
I just need to make a box.
Loops.
You're already decorating?
Oh, absolutely.
Oh my goodness.
All about the fun. Throw a couple Lucky Charms on here too.
Oh no.
There we go. Something like that, right?
I should have just sat here and ate while you... But, I mean, that looks pretty good.
Along.
Yeah, I've got a standard box. All right. This continues on the NTV News Facebook page. We are live there now, so thanks for watching. All right. I
better wash my sleeves.
got a standard box here.
I'll throw that on one side, throw M&Ms on the other side. How about that?
Ooh. Yeah, the teepee was the way to go.
Yeah, it's not very sturdy, but it does the job. Of course, having 2 open doors in the wintertime is not, ideal either for a gingerbread house.
You know what screams Christmas? Pastel Lucky Charms marshmallows. I think we're getting ready. This is an Easter house.
Let's go, baby.
I gotta make a door.
That's a little more festive there. Green M&Ms. Yeah, a few of them stuck.
Just throw something against the wall, see what sticks.
Yep, and then have your house collapse on top of the other side. Yep.
All right, I'm gonna. I thought more of those would stick. This is more of a outhouse vibe going on here, I think. Should get this scary knife out of the way.
Ah, come here. So close. All right, let's get some frosting. Put that on top, seal it down, maybe. There we have it.
That's your end result?
That's my end result.
All right.
It's festive on one side. There we go. looks pretty good to eat.
Yeah. Okay. I think, do we need a time limit for this? See, I'm already out of frosting. I'm not already out of frosting, but it's getting harder to get out of the tube.
Throw some stuff. A little more festive.
The Reese's pieces are in front of me. Some of them are getting eaten. This is not good for my pastel vibe, though. I don't really like Fruit Loops. That'll be my snack in. This is the weirdest gingerbread house. Ronnie, I think you should do this on The Good Life.
Drywall tastes pretty good.
Drywall.
Could be your chimney.
Ooh.
Hold on a second. You got an idea there.
No helping.
See what actually works.
None of us did Levi's idea, which was to put some marshmallows as the...
We all get to vote on these?
Yeah.
Like the viewers get to vote, or?
Yeah, sure, we'll put it up there. I mean, obviously they know who the winner is.
Oh, how about this Christmas star?
What is that? Oh, that's the chimney.
Yes.
The chimney on his...
Sarah, you're going to have
Tent.
to up your game, sister.
Oh my gosh.
We got a little Christmas star on top. Oh, come here.
I have a Christmas
There you
star,
have it.
but it's so... You can't even tell it's a star. Ronnie, you cannot be swaying the judges with your oohs and ahs over there. Yeah, I think I'm going to need a time limit. Otherwise, I'm going to just keep going until I can outdo Kyle.
Meantime.
I know, that's what... I should not go on my house because it's not the vibe, but... Alright. I feel like I need more. But there's not really anything that matches my color scheme. Maybe yellow.
Kyle, you're done?
I'm
Okay.
I'm gonna do one more row of stuff.
done. That is the end result.
Let's see if it's
Pretty impressive.
Ronnie!
I'm not done. I'm not done. Yours is pretty impressive as well.
Yeah, right.
Ooh.
I don't know if I have enough yellow to make this work, though.
Well, don't eat the yellow. You don't eat yellow.
Yellow snow.
I feel like I'm gonna replace that because I have a star on mine too, Kyle. It just doesn't look
Yeah.
like a star. Looks like a smushed. I don't even know what.
Smushed something.
Smush something. Okay.
My chimney's falling though.
Oh, good. Maybe when we take the pictures, it will have fallen. Let me see if I can find a nice star. None of this is going to be edible by the time we... That's a little better. Okay.
Okay.
I think that's going to be my...
Sarah's.
There we go.
Ooh.
All right. Vote
Who wins?
who did it best. And we'll just finish up these.
These tasty treats.